Okay, we're gonna go on a quick test drive. I have the microphone here in the car, and then after this, I'm gonna place it on the outside of the car so you can hear the exhaust. Now ignore the flickering on the screen, that is just in camera. So these do not flicker in person. The car sounds amazing. It shifts nice and smooth. I'm just in drive, but you can put it over into a sport mode and upshift and downshift yourself. So that's using the paddle shifters. And the brakes feel good. Okay, so now let's do exhaust audio on the outside of the car. Okay, we're gonna do a quick visual condition report. Now this is wrapped, underneath is a white paint job. So starting with the front right wheel, that looks really good. Nice and clean, got the silver calipers. Now we do have damage right here. There's a gash in the wrap. Getting up close, trying to look at that paint. It does not look like it damaged the paint. And so then you're gonna have more imperfections throughout. Now, most of these flaws are here on the hood, roof, and deck lid. It looks like it has some sun damage and maybe some tree sap sat on it and kind of etched into that wrap. You're gonna see some sun damage right here, where you're gonna start seeing the cracking, and then on the roof as well. And then you're gonna make your way here to the deck lid, and you can see that. So it looks like something kind of sat on here and etched it, and then you also have some of the sun damage, because this side looks good and most of that is right here. Looking at the door, you're gonna have your typical scuffs, some of that damage here on the upper side. I see a scuff on the wrap right there that did not go through the paint. Got a little scratch here. And of course, like I said, those spots throughout. Here on this wheel, looks fantastic. And then you do have some hard water stains on the glass, and that is also on the wrap itself, which is going to be hard to see. Here on the front end, and we do have some chips on the wrap that show the white underneath, and of course, all those little specks. Got some chips here, a couple more just peppered throughout. Those headlights look good. Got some scratches there. I see some rash on the plastic there on the underside. And the same with this side. See a little bit of rash. Looking at the engine bay. Looks nice and clean. Here on the underhood liner, there is a gash right there. Everything else looks good. Then here on the back left side, see a little scuff here and right there. Got a scratch there. Looking at this wheel, we do have some curb rash on that edge. The upper side looks good. Got a couple scuffs here, a little snag in the film. Looks like the door edge is good. A couple chips. And then you have a little bit hard water spots on this side, not as bad as the other. Got a scratch here in the film. Got a scratch in the film there, a little scuff. That wheel looks good. And then right here, we have a little scuff on the film. Then looking at the back here, like I said, on the deck lid, you do have the scratches and the damage on the wrap. That taillight looks good. A couple little scuffs here and there. That taillight's super clean. Black exhaust tips. A little bit of staining right here on the wrap from the exhaust. And same down here. Alright, looking at the interior, now you can see the original paint is white, and then you can see it in the door jambs here. Now looking at the door itself, all of that looks awesome. Very minor scuffs on the plastic, but that leather looks good. That bottom section is nice and clean. It is a non-smoker. Got your memory seating. This bolster looks good. You have some wrinkling here, very minor wear. The rest of that seat looks amazing. The bottom here looks good. Looking at the steering wheel, little scuff there. Little fingernail scratches on the underside. Overall though, looks nice and clean. You got 14,345 miles. I don't feel any sticky buttons here or on that console, so that's good. Looking at the dash, all of this looks good. I don't see any sticky buttons anywhere. Very, very clean interior. Here on the right door panel, that upper section looks amazing. That handle's super clean. I don't see any sticky buttons right there. That lower section looks nice. And then here is a good opportunity to see the white underneath that wrap. Now looking at that bolster, that looks awesome. That one's really clean. These seats look really good. Tiny little scuff here. Got a few small scuffs here, but otherwise that looks good. Glove box looks good. This part of the dash is clean. Looking up here, I don't see any flaws. Then looking in the back, it's hard to see back here, but those seats look nice and clean. That console looks good.